Hey, Aurora Unit. Happy Thursday. Welcome to day 7 of online remote learning. And also, happy first day of spring. Today is the start of spring or the vernal spring equinox. So, besides being the start of spring, it's also equal night and day, about 12 hours of each. And both the northern and southern hemispheres both have that. So, neither is tilted towards or away from the sun. Anyway, I kind of want to update where we're at right now. We've pretty much finished everything we need to for the astronomy unit, which means we're going to be taking the astronomy post assessment very soon. Remember, we took the pre assessment at the beginning of the unit. Now we need to take the post assessment, which is going to be actually Monday. If we're in school, we'll take it in school, but if we're not, we'll take it at home. Therefore, we need to prepare for that. So on your screen here, you'll see that number one today is to watch the instructions, which you're hopefully doing right now. Number two is going to be to complete the astronomy post assessment. So if you scroll down, that's attached to these instructions. And you're going to notice there's a bunch of other stuff attached too. We'll talk about that in a minute. So if we go to the astronomy post assessment, let that open up. You'll notice that this is everything you're going to need to know for the assessment, but it's not all filled in yet. You actually have to fill it in yourself. And besides just filling it in, you also need to know the information. Now, I understand that this might take more than 30 minutes for some of us to do, which that's fine. Your choices are you can continue it tomorrow, or you can work on it for more than 30 minutes today. But I think within an hour, most people should be finished with this. So there's no confusion. I know people brought their notebooks home and other people did not. If you did bring your notebook home, there are page numbers in parentheses you can use to look up the answers that will help you with that. If you didn't bring your notebook home, you can use the attached resources that we saw before on the Google Classroom post. And these attached resources, if we scroll down here, there's stuff about the Earth's motion, which would be rotation, revolution, seasons, moon, gravity, eclipse diagrams. Most of the answers can be found in these resources. I really don't want you to be Googling and looking up answers on the internet. I prefer you use these resources or post a question on Google Classroom and we can help you, but don't just go searching the internet. You should be able to find most using your resources. So again, complete the astronomy review sheet using your notebook or resources. Make sure you eventually turn in that assignment. We're going to take the post assessment on Monday. And then after Monday, we're most likely going to do some kind of modified or some sort of cross-cutting concepts conclusion for the unit. And then we're looking to move into weather probably as soon as Wednesday. That's our final unit of the year. While I have you listening to me, make sure you're checking Genesis to make sure that you're getting credit for the assignments you're turning in. If there's any issues or you're missing something and there's a problem, please email me and let me know. Or you can also email, if you're red and yellow class, Mr. Barry, or green class, Ms. Ortel, and they can help you with that stuff. We're all working together to make sure everything is right. So let us know if there's a problem. And just make sure you work on this assessment study guide the best you can. It might not be perfect, but if you use your resources and kind of remember what we did, you should be able to make pretty good progress on it, okay? So good luck, enjoy your Thursday, and happy first day of spring.